Alright, alright. Here we go. Let me get the scene.
That's it?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it recording now?
Yeah.
Oh! We're using the Ray-Ban.
Yeah, Ray-Ban Meta.
Right now.
Alright, alright. Here we go.
That's it?
Yes, yes.
Is it recording now?
Yeah.
Oh!
Alright, let me get the...
Okay, so where are we right now?
We are in Pacifica.
Yeah.
Near...
So nice.
Yep.
Yes, plastic.
Beautiful, beautiful. They still got the warnings up over there because they... Oh, they made it... It used to be lower and everything. Used to be lower. Yeah, yeah.
Recording?
Yeah, still recording. Yep, yep, yep. Oh! Ah! Ah! Ugh. The muscles.
What's up?
The muscles. It's dangerous down here. So we gotta be very, very careful.
I know.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi. We are at Pacifica. The docks. Oh yeah.
There's a mermaid.
Look at that. Where's the mermaid? Right here? You.
You're the merman.
He's the merman. Aquaman, yeah.
You're the...
Aqualad. Yeah.
Okay.
Gimme. Gimme.
So recording?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's okay. You turned it off already.
Fine. Yes, yes. Let me get the scene.
So we're using the Ray-Ban.
Yes, Ray-Ban Meta.
Meta. Okay. Thank you.
And we are recording all of this beautiful.
You show your face too.
Oh, yeah,
Meta, meta.
yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay.
You been posting at all?
Huh?
You been posting at all? All right, go. Action.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh.